Hey everyone, Miss Delito here. Let's look at testing for points in a line when we're given an equation and a point to test. So given the equation y minus 5 over x minus 2 is equal to 7 over 3, we're going to test to see if the following points are on the same line as the line being represented by this equation. So just a reminder that remember all of our ordered pairs are in that form of x, y. So I know this is x and y for each of my coordinates. And I like to label that because it helps me stay organized as I start to test these points. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. We're going to take our y coordinate and substitute that in for y. So 6 minus 5 and our x coordinate, and we're going to substitute that in for x, so 10 minus 2, and that should equal 7 over 3 if this point is in fact on the line. Well, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 10 minus 2 is 8, and 1/8 is not equivalent to 7/3, so we know this one is not on the line. This is not equal. Not true. Let's test our second one. So same thing, we're going to take our y value of 12 and substitute that in here. And our x value is 5, we're going to substitute that in as well. And this should equal to 7 over 3 if this point is on the line. So 12 minus 5 is 7, 5 minus 2 is 3. So because this is equal, we know this one is on the line. Let's test another one. So again, we have our x and our y, so we'll substitute our y in for the y and our x in for the x. And if this is equal to 7 over 3, we know that is going to be on the line. Well, 5 minus 5 is 0, not 7. 12 minus 2 is 10, not 3. And 0 over 10 is not even equivalent to 7 over 3. So this one is not on the line. Let's go ahead and test that last one. So again, we'll substitute our y value in for y. So 19 minus 5 over 8 minus 2 should equal 7 over 3. Well, 19 minus 5 is 14, and 8 minus 2 is 6. So we have 14 over 6, which is in fact equivalent or equal to 7/3. So this one is on the line. So each time you're asked to use an equation to test to see if a point is on the line, just remember to pay careful attention to which is your x and which is your y value, and simply substitute those into the equation to see if it makes the equation true.